that is the outgoing chairman, right? Outgoing chairman. Ebere Nwogba, Chief Ebere Nwogba, right? You okay?
Yes.
Mm.
Onye nke pụrụ na Saturday mere election. And onye nke bụ incoming chairman.
Kafia?
Abakaliki local government.
Okay, okay, go on.
Which is ndị nke banye ọfụ.
Yes, yes.
And onye nke ito bụ current Iji local government chairman. Onye nke banye this on Saturday, ndị nke win on Saturday.
Okay. Okay, Aduga, right? Or Yamaba Aduga?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And
the third one and the fourth one, he connects. The fourth one,
yeah. Chelu. Those phone numbers of these politicians. Okay, Ndi send the phone numbers, right?
Ndi send the numbers.
Iwe mụrụ nze m ụzọ ekenekwa mụrụ biko that short video ahụ nenekwa bụ wasị nọ ihe na-eme na Ebonyi State. Yes, I said now this thing can many Ebonyi State as we are speaking now, as we are watching this video. No, many according to the guy who waited the news. When I got so because I'm going to pay attention because now got a man keep as on other gara on other making gara so because I enter upon this video. According.
Something obnoxious is happening in Ebonyi State currently. On the 26th day of July 2026, some individuals were kidnapped in Izi local government area of Ebonyi State by some unidentified assailants and taken to their camp or to wherever they are quartered. Some days after, they established contacts with the families and forwarded to them some clips showing when they were beating them and subjecting them to untold difficulty. And the video I watched of that incident showed to me one of the victims being sliced like vegetable. They broke his head and blood covered his body from head down to the toes. What are they demanding? They are saying that they worked for some elements, for some individuals in Ebonyi State Government. In fact, they said that they worked for Ebonyi State Government and they refused to compensate them. They refused to reward them. They mentioned 4 names. I think you are going to hear the names in the course of this video. That they are aware of what is happening and they are aware of their existence, and that should the government fail to accede to their demands, that they will wreak havoc on Ebonyi State and declare Ebonyi Bruno state of assault. Now they are very embittered and threatened to kidnap as many as possible. That many are in their custody already, hundreds in their custody already. So they are communicating members of the family, and they don't even want families of those they kidnapped to pay them. They say that it must be state government, that they don't have any business with members of the families of those they kidnapped, so that it is the government of Ebonyi State that they have a deal with. That if the government thinks it has the wherewithal to challenge them, that there's no problem, but the government should be ready to face them. So they are saying that they are giving the government some time. If they fail to, that they should be ready to, to see those in their custody buried in shallow graves. And this thing I'm telling you, DSS is aware of this. They have the videos. And these people are communicating with US phone lines. So, AK, anti-kidnap unit of the Ebonyi Police Command, Abakaliki, is aware of this incident. They are in reception of the video clips. The DSS is aware of it, and today will make it for 1 month they struck, and they have been kidnapping people silently up till this moment. So, watch and listen. I spoke with a member of one of the families. They kidnapped their children. So, I don't know what to say, but you have to listen to. This video is somehow long, but I would like you to listen and watch. The guy is giving us information about everything that happened. Thank you so much. I am Chika Wamba. Kama mi genye mo information about ihe na-eme na that side of Ebonyi. Anọ m na enwere ndị bịalụ kidnap ba ndị mmadụ na that part of Ebonyi. Please just introduce yourself, but don't mention your name for the sake of your security. Please go on. Thank you.
Community under Old Igbego.
In Izi local government, right?
Yes, under Izi local government.
You got the audible so that people will be able to hear your voice.
Okay. On 26th of July 2026, 3 of my brothers guy watch ball na community primary school in the Ebonyi at Sharon Junction.
Okay, I know Sharon.
Yes, this is a live match. And I watch ball. This is a live match. And on Sunday, Ebaka be my brothers. Again. And Ghana, Uruno to Echia, Bo Monday. And Yagarewa, and Ghana CPS, Ghana State CID, Ghana headquarters, Ghana Civil Defense, all the whole forces non Ebonyi State, even Army Barrack, Ghana DSS, that's them, even a mortuary, Kamama, Ungosi accident, Gawama, Unogo. Feta 2, Feta 1, all the whole hospitals, even some private hospitals. On around 8 o'clock, got one strange number, text from my senior brother on my WhatsApp. And that number, this is a US number.
Yes. US line.
So, in their text, my brother's album. And they are captioned that video and some pictures. But your sons are safe with us.
Your sons are safe. Okay, your sons are safe with us.
Yes, your sons are safe with us. So after some days, Abiakwa send a message. Video. Abia send a message. And that message contained the 4 numbers. He made that 4 numbers. Umecha bought that numbers. The police bought that numbers. Ufubo number local government chairman Abakaliki.
Okay. That is the outgoing chairman, right? Outgoing chairman. Ebere Nwoba. Chief Ebere Nwoba, right? Okay.
Yes. Onye nke pro na Saturday mere election. And onye nke bo incoming chairman.
Kafia.
Abakaliki local government.
Okay. Okay. Go on.
Which is ndị nke banye ofu.
Yes.
And onye nke tobo current Iji local government chairman. Onye nke banye this on Saturday, ndị nke win on Saturday.
Okay. Okay, Aduga, right? Or Yamaba Aduga?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And the third one and the fourth one, he connects. The fourth one,
Chelu. Those phone numbers, phone numbers of these politicians. Okay, ndị ahụ ndị sendulu the phone numbers, right?
Ndị a send the numbers. So here then that's the numbers here send the ball. These 4 persons know the full story
of what happened.
Yes, here then these 4 persons know the full story. Here then
Okay. Yes.
These 4 persons know the full story.
Yes.
I go see and they any information. Ndị a na-eweta anyị na-send and the DSS.
Okay.
For tracking.
Okay.
That's ndị borrow that phone numbers. Which ndị as na maro ndị apụ. I just go on the phone here no maso person. Maka na ndị a ihe na-asabo ihe dị na-asabo bloody vampires.
Bloody vampires.
Yes, with their WhatsApp.
Okay.
Bloody vampires.
Okay. Okay.
So, the caption now, that's the phone numbers that these 4 persons know the full story.
Yes, go on.
After some days again, which is another contact again, through that foreign WhatsApp guys who communicates, they are or that either na in the picture or na either na or they send the video na or na either normal text and that's WhatsApp. So their next communication here visible. I say if your government is ready, we are ready.
If your government is ready, we are ready.
We are ready.
Okay.
Yes, that they are going to kidnap as much as they can from the states if the government refuses to pay to settle with them, because they work for that 4 people. According to them, that the 4 persons is the reason why they came to the states to terrorize, to kidnap. As in, now they actually without the 4 persons answering their numbers to us.
Okay. Ndị pasolu freeway, those 4, okay, go on.
Yes, that's the 4 numbers. According to them, that's the 4 numbers answering the
go on.
So, with the time, have you seen another video, another pictures? With time again, they still remind us that those 4 persons that they sent to us know why they are angry with the states. That if care is not taken, they will turn the state to another Borno state.
To another Borno state, right?
Yes. If government refuses to see them, that they are going to turn the state, which is Ebonyi, to another Borno state.
Okay.
We told them that we don't have any politician in our family. We don't have any body in government. Even in local government, we don't have. Even in a community, we don't have. Even in the village, we don't have. Even a village council, we don't have a village head as our family member.
Okay.
You get?
Okay.
That they should release our son to us. They say it doesn't concern them. That they are going to kidnap more. That if our leaders are being careful, they will notice that many people have been disappearing from the states.
Okay.
But they are busy with their leadership or election, something of that nature. You get? So there have been even some of our family members that have been going around to see if there will be a means to release this our brothers. They have been threatening some of us that we should stop going any place because it doesn't concern us. It's between them and the government.
Okay.
Yes.
Did they say anything concerning their anger? Did they allege anything? As in, did they give any reason for doing these things?
Only thing, according to them, is that these 4 persons, as in the 4 persons know the full story, know why they're angry. As in the business between them and the 4 persons, which I mentioned before.
Okay. If DSS or police invite you, can you answer?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If by tomorrow, tomorrow they said you should come or tell me to avail your contact to them, should I give them your contact?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Go on. Okay.
Because even the matter is with them already.
Okay. That means they are aware of it already.
They are aware of it. Even Eki is aware of it. That 2 units is where we registered the matter officially.
Okay.
Which, according to them, they have been trying their best.
Okay.
But they say the number is unable to be tracked because it's a foreign number.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, they have been trying their best.
From your own suspicion, do they seem to keep these people in Ebonyi, anywhere in Ebonyi?
It's always bush. It's always
in a forest.
Yes, it's a forest. So it's not environment that we are well known to.
Okay. But have you people been able to see any of the videos? Did they send any video?
Yes, they have been sending video and pictures.
Really?
Which we keep those ones for security reasons.
Okay.
Yes, between that videos and pictures is between it's for security agencies.
Okay, that means if I want them, you cannot give me, right?
It will be a permission from the
security. All right.
Yes, it's for their work.
I heard that they threatened to kidnap many as they can. Is it true?
Yes, they said so, that they are going to kidnap more. If they sent another person, as in another video, including which they have sent to all. Hello?
Oh, go on, I can hear you.
Yes, they sent another person, which is not part of our family, to us as their captive.
Okay.
Yes.
Meaning that they have been kidnapping people from, other places in Ebonyi and be taken into their camp, right?
Yes.
Okay. There's no problem.
They said that they are not going to stop unless the government settle them.
Unless the government. That is okay. Unless Ebonyi State Government settles them, right?
Settle them. Yes, because they have something in the past with that 4 persons. They sent the number.
Okay.
That they sent the number to us.
Okay.
Yes, that the 4 persons is the reason why they came to Ebonyi. And if care is not taken, they are going to turn Ebonyi to another bonus state.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So your concern now is that members of your family should be released, right?
Yes.
And that Ebonyi State Government should be aware of what has been happening.
Yes, and help us because we don't have any hope again.
Okay.
Our hope is on them.
Okay.
They should help us. Please.
All right.
They should help us.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Okay. You say that they were kidnapped on what date again?
On 26th July.
26th July 2026, right? 26th July.
Hello, sir.
26th July.
Yes. Which is 26th of this month, which is tomorrow.
Okay. I can hear you. Go on.
Yes, 25th.
Okay. All right. Okay. I've heard you. I've heard you. I'll get back to you. I'm going to hear you. The network, they call the very poor.
Yes. Looking up the 26th of July. Echikita gave me a month.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. And they threaten. They threaten that they are going to kidnap more, right?
Yes.
All right. All right. Well, thank you. I'm going to hear you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. This is not a child's play. What kind of case is this? I think the government has to do something. What is happening? I don't understand it. And this is the governor's local government area. What is happening, please? Okay. I've done what I should do.